Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you all having a great day. I'm sending you a lot of love from my end. Today's recipe is very simple, but very effective. What you need is a lemon. Lemons are really good when it comes to our hair. But before we get into that, you all know it's very important to always wash your ingredients. So I'm going to give it a good wash. Then after that, I'm going to start peeling my lemons. Lemon itself has vitamin C, which is really great for hair loss. But today, we're not going to use the lemon fruit or juice itself. All we need is the lemon peels. Lemon peels has natural oils that are beneficial to our hair growth. The peels also has vitamin C that is going to strengthen your hair and prevent hair loss. Again, it has collagen that is also great for our hair. Lemons contains other nutrients that will not only strengthen your hair, but when using recipes like these, it is going to cleanse your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. So once you have the lemon peels like so, you're just going to put it in a saucepan and put it aside. Then we're going to move on to our next natural ingredient. Our next natural ingredient is the cinnamon stick. This spice is also great for the hair. It has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties that will treat your scalp and prevent your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. It will stimulate new healthy hair growth and also strengthen your hair strength. Our next natural ingredient is star anise. This natural spice is also powerful when it comes to treating your scalp and growing your hair. And now we're going to add our famous clove. Clove is a natural spice that is really powerful when it comes to hair growth. If you do not know how to use clove to grow your hair, you can use it in this recipe like so. And hey, you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair faster or solve their hair issues. And thank you. All right, so what we did was I used one lemon and also one cinnamon stick, and I added about half a tablespoon of clove. I top it out with water. There was no measurement. Then after that, I boiled it for about 15 minutes. After that, I put it aside and allow it to cool down. And once it's cooled down, I strained it in a bowl like so. And I'm going to put it aside and go on to my next natural ingredient. It is very important to pay attention to this recipe because it is really effective. But if you do not know how to prepare it the right way and also the right way to use it on your hair, you're not going to get all the benefits. So make sure you're following all the steps. So this natural ingredient is our fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds is so popular. It's one of the most effective natural ingredients that you can find. Fenugreek seeds have nutrients that will strengthen your hair. It is going to prevent hair loss. It is also going to help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. And since fenugreek seeds can help with hair loss, it is going to help you retain some length. So in other ways, it can help you grow much longer hair. So what I did was I added about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into my mason jar. This do not need any measurement as well. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. Again, these are natural ingredients. Too much or too less is not going to harm your hair. So at this point, we're going to add the recipe that we prepared earlier on as our water to the fenugreek seeds. And once you add that recipe to it, you're going to give it a good stir, cover it, and set it aside overnight. So this is the next morning, and as you can see, the fenugreek seeds have doubled in size. It means it has been infused, and now it is ready to strain this recipe. And here you are, you haven't done so already. What are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms. So after I strain the fenugreek seeds, this is what I'm having. This thing right here is super powerful. What you can do with this is to add some oil to it. Today, I'm going to add sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil has nutrients that will also help prevent hair breakages. But you can use any oil of your choice. Avocado oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, or even coconut oil. Any oil that works best for your hair. Just add about a tablespoon to this recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is also great for our hair because it's going to strengthen your hair to prevent hair breakages. You can find vitamin E oil in different packages or forms in the store. Some of it is already in a bottle and others in a capsule like so. You just add a few drops to this recipe. Alright, let me show you the best way to use this recipe. You're going to transfer it into a spray bottle. Do not rinse it out when you use this in your hair. Also, make sure to keep it in the refrigerator so it does not go bad. Discard after 5 days and make a new batch. Once you spray this on your scalp, on your hair strands, make sure to massage it into your scalp and into your hair strands. Apply a leave-in conditioner as well as a hair moisturizer whenever you use this on your hair. Do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Use this 4 times in a week and be consistent for faster results.